Welcome to another Legal Studies Terms video from the Wimble channel. Today we're going to be looking at summary and indictable offences. Many students mix these two terms up, so we're going to sort out once and for all which is which. These terms are basically used to categorise crimes based on their severity, with summary offences being minor in nature and indictable offences being much more serious and severe. A helpful word association I use is summary offences are light, so summary light offences, Whereas indictable offences are serious, so I picture an angry man yelling, "That's indictable!" Hopefully that helps, but what's the difference in practical terms? So, if someone was charged with either term, what would happen? Well, to begin with, you'd actually start out in the same place, the local court. Let's begin with summary offences. Summary offences have no preliminary hearing. You simply rock up to the local court. Your case is then set out with all the evidence put forward, and a single magistrate determines whether you are guilty or not and the penalty you'll receive. Like, we're talking really minor offences here, traffic offences, speeding, loitering, that kind of thing. The main point of processing summary offences this way is that it's speedy and straightforward to deal with a relatively large volume of summary offences there are. Now, what about indictable offences? Well, these begin with a formal written charge. Then you're expected to turn up to a preliminary hearing. This occurs at local court with the same single magistrate in charge. He or she will then look at your case and decide if there's enough evidence to proceed to trial at the district court. A date is then set for you to travel to district court to have your case heard. Here you'll face a jury of your peers who will decide your guilt or innocence, and a judge will sit over the entire case to ensure procedural fairness is followed, as there are more severe penalties and the chances of appeals occurring are much more common. We're talking here about things like physical assault or armed robbery. We follow this procedure because indictable offences are serious in nature with serious penalties, so therefore you're able to avail yourself of the entire judicial process. So that's summary and indictable offences. Any questions? Comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.